Hi everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install uTorrent in your PC. So first you need to go to a browser and type uTorrent.com in the search bar and you will get to this page. So you will want to go to this option where you can see free download. This is the desktop app. It will take you to another page where you have to go and click on this download now button under the basic or classic free torrent client. And now you will need to set a location for this torrent app and just click on the exe file and you will lead to this page. Click on next and click on next again. Read this agreement and click on agree. You will need to click on accept. You can choose according to your preference. Create start menu entry, create quick launch icon, or create desktop icon. So you can choose any one of these and you will click on, you will need to click on next. So after that, you can check on any of the settings. So I will uncheck these because I don't want it running when I start up my computer, and I will keep all of these and click on next. So it will start installing uTorrent in my PC, and finally click on finish and you will see that the uTorrent is now running in my PC. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.